Please know at Five Star Bully Pet and Supply Store, the Piggly Wiggly is right there. And they have one of the best vegetables, produce. So yes, I do. Every day, go over there and make sure everybody is eating on the best produce, y'all. Carrots, what up, Doc? You know, I keeps the carrots. You see, we W4L in here. Yes, we keeps the carrots. Everybody gets carrots. Everybody gets fresh vegetables. That's just how it's done every day, no matter what. Y'all tune in. We got the hound out today. Yes, sir. We got the Chapoo out and her babies. Y'all come pick you on out. Yeah, they bad and bougie. Five Star Bully Club, Pet and Supply Store. Y'all holla at your boy. Scared.